And hey guys, welcome to Mako, guys. So we're on Mako. This is, well, the last crazy one we're on right now, but we still got a few more to go. Still trying to hit the 7 roller coasters in 2.5 hours, and this one is just sick, guys. They got this psycho over there, yeah, Jim. He likes his stuff.
And you look to the left over there and see Epic Universe.
And I call that a thumbnail for you guys, because you don't like to see this stuff, so. All right, we're gonna give it a shot, and hopefully I make it through on this one.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, this thing's just crazy.
Right.
This guy likes his stuff. Woo! Yeah, I'm not a fan of it. I think somebody might have hit the stop button on that thing. Oh, once again, out of your chair. Oh yeah, this is crazy. Oh yeah. Up out of your chair again. Wow, that's,
we're not even done yet.
Yeah, it's like somebody hits the stop button every 2 minutes. This one literally lifts you out of your chair every time you go up the top. Oh.
I love this thing so much.
That thing, look up there, guys. Take a look at that drop. That thing is just sick. Every time you go down, you lift your right out of the chair and you're going down. It's just out of this world.
It's so good. It's so good.
And this is that's what you call a psychopath. If you're not sure what they look like, that's it, guys.